Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be watching and reacting to a Malayalam song. Now this song is called Jeevatham Oru Poli. Life is great. So this song is composed and it's been sung by Akhilesh R, and this is directed by Subin and Akhil, the two directors for this particular music video, and it stars Saf Boy. Now original name, actual name Safwan, but the internet name, he has his own YouTube channel. He's a very big internet personality with over 1 million followers on YouTube. And I remember him from Padakalam. So that's how I know him, by face, basically. And I was having this, brief chat with the director, one of the directors, Subin. So he told, because the music video does not have subtitles. So I was like, it's a 5-minute song. What is it about? So it's, what I have been told is that this is about, living life to the fullest, in the sense that as a person, you might not have everything in your life. But if you take it on your stride and try to live a happy life, it'll be great. Life is going to be great then. It won't matter what people think about you. It won't matter that you're facing ups and downs in your life, but internally, if you are happy, then no matter what phase of life you are in, you're going to be able to deal with it happily. So yes, I won't have obviously the actual translation of like line by line, but we have a video, so I'm just going to enjoy the vibes basically. So let's watch the song right away. I still enabled the auto translate. Something will get translated at least. He's a delivery boy.
ഇങ്ങനെ നാണമില്ലാണ്ട് തിന്ന് മുടിക്കാനായിട്ട് പോയി ചത്തുവിട്രാ ശവം.
ബിരിയാണി ബ്രോ, നിങ്ങളുടെ ഓർഡർ ദോ ആ മുറിയിലാണ്. ദിസ് ഈസ് മൈ മിസ്റ്റേക്ക്, സോറി.
But still he got blamed.
കുന്നോളം പണമില്ലേലും കൈതപ്പൂ മണമില്ലേലും കുയിലിന്റെ ഒരു സ്വരമില്ലേലും കൂടുകൂട്ടാൻ ആളില്ലേലും കൂനമാവിൻ താരം പോൽ വീടില്ലേലും നാട്ടുകാരുടെ കണ്ണിൽ ഞാനൊരു കേമനായി കണ്ടില്ലേലും.
See, something is coming. Translation. Oh wait, did he go back to his Gao? Wait, he's in the city then. Yeah, I think he goes back. Frustrated, he goes back.
എന്റെ ജീവിതം ഒരു പൊളിയാണ്, തലജോണറിഞ്ഞിറക്കുടമാണ്, അൺപ്രഡിക്റ്റബിൾ സന്ദർഭം ചേർന്ന് ഈ ജീവിതം സസ്പെൻസിൽ വീങ്ങി. താനേ 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 തക തന്താനേ തന്താനേ താനേ 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 തക തന്താനേ തന്താനേ.
What is that instrument?
സ്നേഹമേ നീ സൗഹൃദമായി വാ, സൗഹൃദമേ നീ സമ്മാനമായി വാ,
Those are his city friends.
ഒരാഘോഷമാക്കി നീ വാ.
How cringe.
വാ നീ വാ നിലാവിലായി വാ, വന്നണയാം നീ ഏകനായി വാ, ഈ ജീവിതത്തെ നല്ല ഓർമ്മകളാക്കി നീ വാ. കുന്നോളം പണമില്ലേലും കൈതപ്പൂ മണമില്ലേലും കുയിലിൻ്റെ ഒരു സ്വരമില്ലേലും കൂട്ടുകൂട്ടാനാളില്ലേലും കുണമാവിൻ തോപ്പിന്മേലൊരു കൊട്ടാരം പോൽ വീടില്ലേലും നാട്ടുകാരുടെ കണ്ണിൽ ഞാനൊരു കേമനായി കണ്ടില്ലേലും എന്റെ ജീവിതം ഒരു പൊളിയാണ് പല ജോണറിൻ നിറകുടമാണ്
Yeah, the family also thinks that he's useless.
സന്ദർഭം ചേർന്ന് ഈ ജീവിതം സസ്പെൻസിൽ വീഞ്ഞേ താനേ 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 തന്താനേ താനേ 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 തന്താനേ തന്താനേ
Yeah, that is the point. So basically, he's content. He's fine. He's like, it's gonna be fine. It's okay.
നാട്ടുകാരുടെ കണ്ണിൽ ഞാനൊരു ശയ്യാണേ
Akhilesh Ramachandran.
കണ്ടില്ലേലും
Production is by Sachin. Girl is so cute. Ah, that was adorable. I think we do need videos, more videos like this, just to which spreads happiness basically. I'm just gonna stop this. I think it was a beautiful song and video, very uplifting. I love listening to uplifting songs, and again there was a nice storyline where you see Safwan. He is playing the character of a delivery boy, and their life is tough. You know, doing this job, but any job is tough. But I'm just saying, in this video's context, like life of a delivery person is quite tough because your incentives are dependent, very time bound, right? And as many deliveries you do, you earn, like the income is not really fixed that way. And then you have to listen to, if it gets 1 minute or 10 minutes, if it is supposed to be 10 minutes, gets a little late. There are people who get very angry and then they really harass and abuse all these delivery people, right? Which is absolutely unfair because they are underpaid, they're overworked, and then you have to listen to 10,000 things from your boss, from the customers and whatnot, right? So here you see even the family is thinking that he's useless because maybe they don't like his job that way, right? But amidst all of this, he is finding his own peace and happiness and internal peace because he's like, yeah, this is a cycle, right? Right now I'm doing this job, it is giving me money, it is filling my stomach, it is giving me some sort of independence, and then when I go home I find some sort of peace, and then I have to come back to the city. And he is kind of, I'm not saying accepted, but at this point of time he's like content with like, okay fine, you know what, let people say whatever they have to say. I may not have the power and the money and whatnot. A palace, there was some word, you don't have a palace and so much money and all of that. Life is very unpredictable. You know, today I'm doing this, tomorrow I might be doing something else. So we have to just take everything on a stride and just do the best we can, whatever is in our control. There are certain things which are not in our control, but a lot of things are in our control. Our actions are in our control. So I think that way the message was quite uplifting and nice to see Safwan. I think after Padakalam I'm seeing him in this music video basically. And yes, I think Akhilesh also sang the song in a way which is very like it fills you with energy and joy in a way and kind of motivates you also. And the little girl was just so cute in that. And yeah, I feel that this kind of song sends out a positive message that the mindset is what is more important. Like, what is your mindset towards life basically? So yeah, that is what I got from the auto translate and from looking at the video and the context that I got from one of the directors, Subin. So yes, that was my reaction. Please let me know what are your thoughts, and I'm gonna sign off now and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.